Staying properly hydrated is important for everyone, including breastfeeding moms. Here are my top 5 benefits of drinking water as a breastfeeding mother. Number 1. Maintains milk supply. Breast milk is primarily composed of water, so staying well hydrated is crucial for maintaining an adequate milk supply. Dehydration can potentially lead to a decrease in milk production. By drinking enough water, you're helping to ensure your body has the necessary resources it needs to produce the necessary amount of milk for your baby. Number 2. Nutrient transport. Water plays a key role in transporting nutrients to your cells, including those responsible for producing breast milk. Proper hydration helps nutrients reach mammary glands, which in turn support the nutritional quality of your breast milk. Number 3. Energy levels. Breastfeeding requires extra energy from your body. Dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue and low energy levels. Drinking enough water helps you stay energized and better equipped to handle the demands of caring for your baby. Number 4. Postpartum recovery. Childbirth and breastfeeding can lead to fluid loss in your body. Staying hydrated aids in postpartum recovery by supporting your body's natural healing processes, reducing the risk of complications and helping your body return to its pre-pregnancy state. Number 5. Temperature regulation. Nursing moms often experience hormonal fluctuations that can lead to increased body temperature. Drinking water helps regulate your body temperature and prevent overheating, which is especially important during warm weather or if you're breastfeeding in hot environments. Remember, moms, that individual hydration needs vary and there is no one-size-fits-all recommendation for daily water intake. Pay attention to your body's cues and thirst glands. It's generally recommended for breastfeeding moms to aim for around 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, but this can vary based on factors like climate or weather, activity level, and personal physiology. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.